Arm & Hammer Puppy Dental Kit. This all-in-one puppy starter kit for cleaning dog teeth includes a 360-degree toothbrush for dogs, a baking soda Arm & Hammer dog toothpaste for puppies, and a silicone finger brush. Baking soda enhanced Arm & Hammer toothpaste. The baking soda enhanced formula of this dog toothpaste for puppies deodorizes bad breath and keeps dog teeth clean and healthy. Coconut oil toothpaste whitens teeth. Naturally whiten your puppy's teeth with the power of coconut oil in the Arm & Hammer dog toothpaste. Helps prevent oral disease. This all-in-one puppy dental kit for small dogs is ideal for cleaning all angles of your dog's mouth and teeth. Directions. First-time brushers, apply a bit of toothpaste onto your finger and invite dog to lick. Slowly lift dog's lips and rub finger along the gum line and teeth. Next, apply pea size of toothpaste onto two sides of dog toothbrush and gently brush. Help prevent oral disease by ensuring that your dog gets the best dental care. The Arm & Hammer Fresh Spectrum Dental Kit for Dogs provide you with everything you need to make brushing your dog's teeth quick, easy, and effective. This kit includes our Arm & Hammer Coconut Mint Fresh Spectrum Toothpaste, the 360 toothbrush, and finger brush. The Arm & Hammer toothpaste for dogs is formulated with two powerhouse ingredients. Baking soda is a natural mineral that can neutralize plaque, whiten teeth, and freshen breath. Coconut oil is a natural cleanser and antimicrobial that attacks common bacteria that lead to tooth decay. Together, the two help deliver deeper clean, whiter teeth, and a healthier mouth with natural ingredients. The 360-degree dog toothbrush included in this kit efficiently cleans all surfaces of teeth in one step, significantly cutting down on brushing time and making your dog's dental routine more efficient. Finally, the silicone finger brush acts as a massager for your pet's gums, giving your pet a close, extra gentle brush along their gum line and teeth. Directions. Step 1. For first-time brushers, apply a small amount of toothpaste onto your finger and invite your dog to lick. Step 2. Slowly progress to lifting your dog's lips and rubbing your finger along the gum line and teeth in a circular motion. Step 3. Apply a pea-sized amount of toothpaste onto two sides of the Arm & Hammer dog toothbrush for puppies and small dogs. Gently start brushing your dog's teeth with a back-and-forth motion. Start with brushing only a few teeth until your dog is comfortable. For best results, brush daily. Note: the 360-degree toothbrush is intended for use as a tool for cleaning teeth under human supervision. It is not a chew toy or dental toy. Letting dogs chew on brush head may result in separation of head from shaft, resulting in a potential choking hazard. Replace toothbrush if it breaks or becomes damaged, or every 4 months for proper hygiene and product care. Top reviews from the United States. Fantastic. I'd almost given up. My 10-year-old Pomeranian hates everything else I've tried. I can only use my finger to her mouth is that small. Too early to know if it's going to improve anything. I'm just glad she's letting me start because there is no strong taste, vanilla and coconut. Only negative is the price.